Hi everybody, back for another book review video. Today I wanted to talk really fast about the technical analysis for dummies. I read this book a few years ago and I really enjoyed it, especially if you are new to stock investing. I wouldn't recommend this to be the first book you read, but to get to know and understand chart readings basically and candlesticks and so forth. This is a fabulous book to read. I'm happy that this was the first technical analysis book I read when I was new to trading. Um, but we're going to go ahead and get started real quick. A lot of you, maybe you don't know, maybe you do know, the For Dummies series is very simple to understand. I really like, it's probably the For Dummies series is not the first book I would go to for everything. It might just be me personally. But the For Dummies, some people don't care the For Dummies, I guess, slogan that they have on every book. But for technical analysis, if you are new, grab this book. It's very simple to understand. They have their reminder and tip points. As you see, I've highlighted this book a couple years ago when I read this book. But this is great. I was a little off guard because they actually had a lot more information than I thought they would. I mean, being new, um, I heard some terminologies I didn't understand from maybe like chat rooms and so forth, but like what a spike is. They get into depth as far as how to interpret a MACD or how to read a MACD indicator, how to read Bollinger Bands. They talk about what to do if you are investing in a particular way. So if you're a day trader, you would look for these signals. If you're a swing trader, you would look for these other signals. Um, but I do like how they really go into depth as far as what a trader does, what to look for if you are someone who likes to follow trends, or if you are someone who likes to invest maybe once a year, do leaps, so forth. They kind of go quickly and dip into information such as that, but they really do give you a lot of information as far as technical analysis is. And I've read other books about technical analysis. This is really good. I haven't gone back to this since I've been trading, but I know when I started trading, I did read this several times until I really got to know what I was looking for as a trader. And this is fabulous. Of course, a lot of the For Dummies series, they have a pages in the back where it says for notes. I think there's like 5 pages in this book. This is also not an updated version, by the way. This is a second edition. You should also look on Amazon or your local bookstore for a new edition. So it's probably way better than what this is. But talk about, again, how to trade gaps, calendar, time stops. Also, they also go into, if you looked at my previous video, I talked about the Stock Traders Almanac, and that's where I found and got to know about the Stock Traders Almanac was in this book. So I do love the Stock Traders Almanac. It's a great book to read if you're into as far as like algorithms and so forth. But if you've read this and you like it or you don't like it, just comment below your review. I'd like to know what you think about it. But again, this is fabulous for new investors. If you have been trading for a long time, you just want something that's like me. I like things that are just straight to the point, very practical. Um, this is fabulous to read. So go ahead and find it, pick it up, add it to your library, and this is great. If you have any questions or any comments, please comment below, and I'd love to talk about it, about what you think about it, or if you want to know where you could find it, maybe I can help you find it. But again, Technical Analysis for Dummies, fabulous book, and this is just a quick review about it. Thank you for watching, and again, subscribe and like the video, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll talk more soon. Thank you. Bye.